Assalamu alaikum guys. Motorola versus OnePlus. Battery. OnePlus 10 battery. 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. Motorola edeg battery. 4000 mAh battery. 38 watt fast charging. Display. Motorola edeg display OLED 1B 144Hz with HDR10 plus, size 6.7 inch, capacity 385p, resolution 1080 to 2400, OnePlus 10 display, AMOLED LED, 120Hz HDR10 plus, capacity 225pp, size 6.6 inch, resolution 80 to 2400, window 1211, SIM and weight, NA dual SIM, chipset and CPU, chipset 8 gun 1, CPU octa-core 2.4, snapdragon 7785G, CPU octa-core 1x2, GPU Adreno 660, Adreno 642, memory, RAM or storage same, camera OnePlus 10, triple camera 48 megapixel, front camera 38 megapixel, back camera video quality 8K 30 fps, front video quality 1080 to 30 fps, Motorola edeg 20, main camera 108 megapixel, front 16 megapixel, result video back 4K 30 fps, video quality 1080 30 fps.